See, Mr. Modi doesn't have the experience of marital life. He doesn't understand what is the rule of Ardangani. उन्हें क्या पता मंगलसूत्र क्या importance है? Anybody who can counter to Mr. Modi is Mr. Kejriwal. Last 10 years, not a single instance when any of the 7 MPs spoke for people of Delhi. ओवैसी को आप बोले कि अल्लाह अकबर बंद करो चुनावों के प्रचारों में, और मोदी जी को बोलिए बंद करो जय श्री राम, उत्तर से दक्षिण तक, पूरब से पश्चिम तक। मोदी जी गारंटी है हम किसी करप्ट को नहीं छोड़ेंगे, सबको भाजपा में लाके मानेंगे। बीजेपी हैज बिकम अ पार्टी ऑफ पाकिस्तानी मेंटालिटी। When will ED investigate BJP and the leaders? एक राम दशरथ का बेटा, एक राम घटघट में लेटा, एक राम का सकल पसारा, एक राम जग से है न्यारा। किस राम की बात कर रहे हो? राम तो आपके अंदर भी और मेरे अंदर भी है। राम तो मुसलमान में भी है और हिंदू में भी और सिख में भी, ईसाई में भी है। बीज बोए बबूल के तो आम कहां से खाए? अगर आम खाना है तो आम का बीज बोना पड़ेगा।
Hello and welcome to another episode of the Statesman Talk with me, Deepthi J. Verma. Today we are being joined by Shri Somnath Bharti ji, who's been a 3-time MLA from New Delhi and is now contesting from the very high-profile seat of New Delhi for the Lok Sabha elections this time. He studied at Delhi University, studied law at Delhi University, and is also studied at the IIT Delhi. And he's a renowned lawyer, activist, and one of the most important leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party. Thank you for joining us, Somnath ji.
It's a pleasure to be here today.
Thank you
it's
so
much.
much.
It's an honor to be on the Statesman.
The Statesman. Thank you so much. How's the mood? Let's start with that.
Mood of Delhi?
Mood in your constituency.
It's very good. In fact, wherever I have been going, see, I'm not new to this. I have been there in the constituency for the last 9 long years.
Yeah.
And Malivinagar Assembly is part of New Delhi Lok Sabha constituency.
Okay.
There are 10 constituencies, out of which one is Malivinagar Assembly. Malivinagar Assembly, I have been there since 2013. And 3 successive terms I have had as
Yeah,
MLAs.
you won.
And each time the margin was bigger than the previous time. So first time
So
the margin...
you're progressing.
Yes. So margin was first time 8,000. Second time it was 16,000. Third time it was 19,200. And fourth time miracle happened. All the 3 municipal seats were given to Aam Aadmi Party. And those seats on which BJP was there for the last 40 long years. So people respected politics of work. काम की राजनीति का आदर किया. And then this time I am facing this New Delhi Lok Sabha constituency election. So wherever I go, people have already heard the stories around my life.
Yeah.
So all my works, the
The reputation is preceding you.
my mother was a teacher.
Okay.
My father was a sannyasi. So my upbringing and my life has been around spirituality.
Sannyasi as in?
He was a spiritual wanderer.
Okay.
So I was given my name Somnath by a saint called Maharshi Mehi Paramhans Ji Maharaj of Bhagalpur, Bihar.
Okay.
I played in the left Maharshi Mahesh Yogi. I have been to the Devarha Baba, Anukul Thakur, Osho, Radha Swami Satsang Vyas.
So you've had a spiritual upbringing.
Absolutely. So I start my day with 2 hours of meditation every day. And that gives me the strength. So all these stories woven around my political life, my spiritual life, my legal life, they're already there out in every constituency where have I gone, wherever I've
Wherever you
gone.
go.
People all have heard stories and they love me. That's what I want. And that's my fuel for this political life.
So is there any
journey.
difference between fighting for MP or MLA?
See, niyat, we call that, अगर नियत हो
Intention.
तो सब कुछ हो सकता है. So the way we say in Hindi कि बीज बोए बबूल के तो आम कहाँ से खाए. अगर आम खाना है तो आम का बीज बोना
डालना
पड़ेगा. Right? So I have seen that. So people see, if you want good work, I'm not new to the politics. If somebody is new to the politics, then अब जैसे नया सामान खरीदने जाते हैं, पालिका बाजार जाएंगे, उन्हें क्या पता चाइनीज निकल जाए, अभी लगाए फुस हो जाए. So people want established, tasted and tried.
Yeah.
Somebody who has already been serving the humanity. So expansion to New Delhi Lok Sabha is just
A natural progression.
a natural increase in my work area. Scope of work will be increased from Malivinagar Assembly to New Delhi Lok Sabha. 9 more assemblies, number 1. Number 2, there are 5 areas which are exclusively under MP. Police, law and order, DDA, land, traffic police.
But in Delhi also?
Of course, Delhi itself.
Oh,
But Delhi is half-hearted state, half a state.
Yeah.
Now it's a quarter a state, reduced
Yeah.
by BJP. Before BJP came to power, BJP wanted it to be a full-fledged state, if you recall.
yeah.
But they did exactly reverse. When they got into power, they reduced power of Delhi further down. They took away services department. We had anti-corruption branch
Yeah.
when I was the law minister. So that time, we succeeded to prosecute all the corrupt in Delhi. But that was not of the taste of BJP or Mr. Modi. So he took away anti-corruption branch from us. So we couldn't prosecute them corrupt. Then they took away services department. So people gave the car to Somnath Bharti, to Arvind Kejriwal. And the driver is now in the control of Mr. LG through BJP.
So now you're hoping it'll come back.
So that's what I'm
Yeah.
saying. So then, this struggle, see, had it been like 14 or 19,
Yeah.
this election would have been different. But what Mr. Modi did, what BJP did with Aam Aadmi Party and the Delhi government, that is the trouble. They tried to encroach upon the powers of elected Delhi government. And that is why today the struggle of Aam Aadmi Party and Delhi government is much more severer than ever
Yeah.
before. And that is why this election is very important. That is why we want our MPs to win the parliament. Somebody who will fight for rights of Delhi. Somebody who will fight for rights of Delhi government. All those snatched away powers will have to be brought back. Who will bring back? Not BJP MPs. They have done nothing. Last 10 years, not a single instance when any of the 7 MPs spoke for people of Delhi. And when these rights were being snatched away, they were clapping. So let them clap now outside the parliament.
But you're still 3 seats, right?
I'm 4.
You're 4 seats and Congress is 3.
So we are fighting as India Gathbandhan,
India Gathbandhan.
India Alliance. So
Yeah.
we are talking of all 7 seats.
All 7 seats you're very confident about.
Yes. And I have been going to the area. Hardly you come across, and I'll tell you, the dividing line happened 21st of March. When 21st of March, Mr. Kejriwal was arrested.
You think that turned things in your
Illegally,
favor?
unconstitutionally. And I'm saying with complete responsibility. Because I'm a lawyer.
What do you think of PMLA as a law?
PMLA was okay till the time that amendment was not done in 2017. Okay. This amendment to that made it absolute power with the central government.
Which is that you have to prove yourself.
Section
to-
45.
Yeah.
Yes. That is, unless prosecution wants, you
Yeah.
won't get bail.
Yeah.
Okay. This can't happen. It's like TADA. See, primarily PMLA was designed to catch hold of
Money laundering.
money laundering,
Yeah.
drug mafia, etc.,
Yeah.
etc., who were into wrong businesses, gruesome businesses
Hmm.
like drugs, terrorism. But Mr. Modi is using it against the political opponents. So by amending that section, he made it an absolute power in his hands to put anybody behind bar without any proof, without any evidence. And that is why people of Delhi especially, they're all up in arms. They're saying nothing doing. But democracy has to be respected. In fact, if you recall, Delhi was so decisive in 19 that Delhi mein to Kejriwal, center mein to Modi. That's what they used to say.
Yeah.
But this time, the way Mr. Modi took away the powers of elected government, Delhi is up in arms. Delhi said nothing doing. You not allow this to happen. My power of my vote can't be compromised. You can't do this. I voted Somnath Bharti to be my MLA. Now, if his instructions are not being followed by the people, by the officers, then for
Then
what
what-
use?
what use it?
What
Yeah.
use?
Yeah.
So that is why people of Delhi want us to go to parliament, bring back those snatched away powers, taken away powers, and then make Delhi effective as it was in 2014. I mean,
Yeah.
if you recall those times, BJP had promised we will make Delhi full-fledged state. Forget about doing that. Whatever power was there, they took away. That's not done. Democracy requires you to be drawing bigger line. अपना लाइन लंबा खींचो ना, हमारे में छोटी करो. नहीं. I can, on your show, I'm saying, Deepti ji, with complete humility at my command, BJP cannot win Delhi elections straight from Kejriwal.
Bansi Swaraj, who's against you, is quite a strong opponent, though.
I don't know in what way you're saying so. See,
She's
democracy.
quite promising.
I'm not Mr. Modi that I'll suppress my opponent.
Yeah.
Everybody has a right to stand in election. But then, look at 10 years old, 2 tenures Madam Lekhi had. People are angry.
People angry.
People are angry. Not even once they appeared. You know why? Because Madam Lekhi told me once. सोमनाथ जी काम आप करिए, हम तो मोदी जी के नाम से आते हैं. And the new BJP candidate is saying the same. Modi 400 par. What is your vision? Modi 400 par. Is that the vision of an MP? MP is required to be on the ground to work for the people.
But a lot of
Look
people
at
say that in a way this is a prime ministerial election,
No.
right? The MP election.
I forgot to bring the constitution. Refer the constitution. You can Google now. Show me the provision which is to elect the prime minister. This election is to elect the members of parliament.
Members of parliament, yeah.
Members of parliament in turn will elect prime minister.
Yeah.
All right. So let us trust. Let us elect good members of parliament who are promising. See, I don't have a political background. BJP candidate is promising what? I am daughter of so and so. That's all. End. She's no smaller. 40 years old, have had no political, experience of any kind. Not even a councillor, not even MLA. All right. And I was told that Mr. Hardeep Puri was being
contesting.
asked for the first he was being asked by BJP to contest. He refused. That's what I've been told.
BJP was saying Mrs. Sunita Kejriwal was also might.
Who is BJP to decide? They all spread rumors. It was otherwise.
Okay.
See, Sunita Bhabhi is not a political person.
She has no political ambitions.
She was there to fill in that void, the big void, which
Why couldn't a leader from AAP only
which
do
is
it?
not fillable. See,
For public
wife
connect?
problem is that BJP does not understand. See, Mr. Modi doesn't have the experience of, marital life. He doesn't understand what is the role of Ardangani. तभी तो मंगलसूत्र की बात की उन्होंने. उन्हें क्या पता मंगलसूत्र क्या इंपॉर्टेंस है. हिंदुस्तान में मंगलसूत्र के ऊपर तो तलवारें खिंच जाती हैं. और मंगलसूत्र किसने छीना और हिंदुस्तान देख रहा है. 24,000 रेट था गोल्ड का 14 में, आज 75,000 गोल्ड का रेट है.
Yeah.
तो प्राइम मिनिस्टेरियल पर्सन टॉक्स सच रबिश. 2 भैंस में 1 भैंस ले जाएंगे. आई मीन डज कंट्री वांट सच ए प्राइम मिनिस्टर? What has happened?
Do you agree with the Congress manifesto?
The question is not agreeing or not agreeing. Whatever they have promised, they have promised. But
No,
what I'm
because
saying-
you are in alliance with them. So is there any kind of...
See, what I'm saying, what I'm trying to first tell you, that Mr. Modi has brought political discourse to such a low level, that people like us, we feel ashamed to be ruled by a prime minister of that kind. You need to be some dignity, some standard. Your a plus b square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, वो 2ab कहाँ से आता है? हम IIT का पढ़ा लिखा हूँ यार, मुझे बेवकूफ़ ना बना बैठ के. I feel ashamed when my counterparts in America and Canada, they tell me, तुम्हारा prime minister ऐसे बोलता है. You need to have some. If you don't know, don't speak. You need to be saying things on which you are confident. अब बोल रहे हैं कि जी वो मुसलमानों को तुम्हारा दे देंगे प्रॉपर्टी कांग्रेस का मैनिफेस्टो देख करके. क्या बात कर रहे हैं? Have some dignity, Mr. Modi. You are a prime minister.
What about Lalu Prasad? He also said something about Muslim reservation today.
Why can't you sort of list out what all you have done in last 10 years? Have courage of Mr. Kejriwal. Mr. Kejriwal talked what? He said, अगर मैंने काम किया है तो वोट दो, काम नहीं किया है तो वोट मत दो. And I have friends in BJP also. They used to always tell me, सोमनाथ जी नेगेटिव मत बोला करो मोदी जी के बारे में. अब मैं उनको बुलाता हूँ कि अपने मोदी जी के स्पीचेस सुनो. मोदी जी के स्पीचेस पूरे नेगेटिव हैं. एक भी चीज अपना गिनाने को नहीं है. 10 साल पुराना प्रधानमंत्री के पास तो लिस्ट होनी चाहिए थी कि हमने बेरोजगारी दूर कर दी, 2-2 करोड़ की जगह 5-5 करोड़ नौकरियां दे दी हर साल, हमने डॉलर को इतना नीचे कर दिया, अब $1 जो है वो रुपये से भी नीचे चला गया। कहते कि पेट्रोल का दाम अब तो 20 रुपये हो गया, कहते वो सिलेंडर का दाम अब तो 200 रुपये हो गया। कुछ भी कहने को नहीं है। 15-15 लाख रुपए लाएंगे अगर इस
But
देश
they've
में।
done what they claimed, right? About the 370,
No, they had
Ram
claimed-
Mandir.
They had claimed Ram Mandir is their creation. Tell me.
It has happened under
No,
their
no.
tenure.
What they have done in Ram Mandir? Tell me. I'm asking you, Deepti ji.
No, the Supreme Court passed it,
क्या किया
but they do take credit for it.
क्रेडिट ले रहे हैं ना, इसका मतलब इट्स ए फॉल्स क्रेडिट। क्या किया उन्होंने बताइए, आप बताइए, चलिए आपके
But the movement started under the BJP
क्या मूवमेंट, व्हाट मूवमेंट?
in the 1992 under Advani ji.
आपको पता ही किसने खोला फिर वहां का ताला? ये तो कांग्रेस को क्लेम करना चाहिए था। ताला किसने खोला था? राजीव गांधी ने खोला था ना ताला। फिर ये तो बेसिकली पॉलिटिकल बैंकरप्सी है, उनके पास आइडियाज बैंकरप्सी है, इसलिए इस प्रकार की बातें करते हैं। ऑलराइट, सो सुप्रीम कोर्ट का आदेश, जनता का पैसा।
Then why didn't the parties,
Or-
other people go for the consecration? If it wasn't their idea, why did they politicize it?
पॉलिटिसाइज तो उन्होंने किया ना। किसने किया? उन्होंने किया, मोदी जी ने किया।
That's why they boycotted it? No.
Nobody boycotted, we went. We all went.
You all went.
We all went. And question is, see, भगवान श्री राम के बारे में क्या लिखा है? एक राम दशरथ का बेटा, एक राम घट में लेटा, एक राम का सकल पसारा, एक राम जग से है न्यारा। किस राम की बात कर रहे हो? राम तो आपके अंदर भी और मेरे अंदर भी है। राम तो मुसलमान में भी है और हिंदू में भी और सिख में भी, ईसाई में भी है। राम को किसी नाम से पुकार लो। तो जिस मुंह से आप गालियां देते हो किसी सेक्ट को, किसी वर्ग को, वो तो राम का ही अनादर कर रहे हो। हिंदुओं ने क्या कहा? वसुधैव कुटुंबकम,
Yeah.
पूरा विश्व जिसका परिवार हो। हिंदुइज्म, जो भाजपा का हिंदुइज्म है, वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ मायोपिक है, वो सिर्फ राजनीतिक पर्पस के लिए है। एज ए हिंदू आई प्रोटेस्ट दैट।
Okay.
I feel very sorry that my religion is being used. I would be equally that. In fact, I had once told in the Supreme Court कि ओवैसी को आप बोलें कि अल्लाह अकबर बंद करो चुनावों के प्रचारों में, और मोदी जी को बोलिए कि बंद करो जय श्री राम का प्रयोग। अरे गिनाओ ना काम। राम ने आपको दिया था, भगवान राम ने दिया आपको सत्ता, पहली बार आप भगवान श्री राम के नाम से आए, तो सत्ता में गिना दिए होते। एक भी मैनिफेस्टो में कही गई बात पूरा नहीं किया उन्होंने। ना तो उन्होंने एम्प्लॉयमेंट, आज देखिए हिंदुस्तान के अंदर अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट इतना भरा पड़ा है, नौजवानों को नौकरी नहीं मिल रही हैं। ये कह रहे हैं पकौड़े तलो, ये कह रहे हैं कि पकौड़े तलना को व्यवसाय है, नाली से गैस से।
Entrepreneurship.
हैं?
Entrepreneurship.
बताइए, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप अगर ये उदाहरण रहा तो अपने बेटे को करा दे देते ना। माननीय अमित शाह जी उनको क्रिकेट का ना दे कर कहते कि तुम पकौड़े तलने काम शुरू करो बड़ौदा स्टेशन के बाहर। ये कहना चाहिए था। वो भी कौन से गैस से? जिस गैस से माननीय मोदी नाले से गैस निकाली। अगर नाले से निकाले गैस से अमित शाह जी के बेटे पकौड़े तलते होते तो हम देखते, फिर उसको हम प्रचार का साधन बनाते कि देखो जी, गृह मंत्री ने अपने बेटे को लगा दिया पकौड़े तलने में, तो हम लोग तो लगे। तो दूसरों के लिए पकौड़े तलना और अपने बेटे के लिए क्रिकेट का सारा व्यापार तुम्हारा, ऐसे नहीं चलता देश। देश त्याग से चलता है। इसलिए इस बार हर तरफ एक ही चीज है कि डेमोक्रेसी को जो खतरा है मिस्टर मोदी से, और 400 पार का नारा दे रहे हैं भाजपा वाले।
That is the main agenda for you while you're
No.
campaigning?
Of course, this is the main agenda. The way they
The democracy is
the-
threatened.
The way they arrested Mr. Kejriwal without any proof. 3-time most popular chief minister. You could not, and today also I'm on your show, I'm saying with complete confidence, they cannot defeat Mr. Kejriwal in elections. They cannot. They don't have the guts. अभी उनके हाथ पीछे बांध दिए, कहते तैरो, उनके पावर वापस कर दो, और फिर मैं चैलेंज करता हूँ, एक स्कूल तो बनाने। दीप्ति जी 22 में जब पिछला जो गुजरात का चुनाव हुआ है, जब केजरीवाल साहब वहाँ चुनाव लड़ने गए, जहाँ आम आदमी पार्टी लड़ रही थी चुनाव, तो कहा गया स्मार्ट स्कूल। मोदी जी इतने घबरा गए कि अहमदाबाद में टेंट में स्कूल बनाया, उसकी फिल्मिंग हुई, उसकी शूटिंग हुई, और जब मीडिया वाले वापस ढूंढने गए स्कूल, तो स्कूल तो टेंट में था, उठ गया। तो आपसे एक स्कूल तो बनानी मोदी जी 25 साल में, गुजरात में। अरे आपको सीखना चाहिए था, भारत में अगर क्वालिटी एजुकेशन मिल जाए, if quality education can be given to in government schools, you should have learnt a lesson. You should have called Mr. Kejriwal, ki come here, Mr. Kejriwal, and do all schools of India the way you have done in Delhi. You should have asked Mr. Satendra Jain to do all the mohalla clinics, to bring health care, to the poorest, the way we have done, to ensure that 200
Replicated the model of
Of course, because if you want if you are little concerned for people of Delhi, you will do this. People of India, you will do this. But you're not concerned. Tell me an area where they have improved the people's lives. Not even once. Right? Question is, they have amassed amazing wealth.
Okay.
Amazing wealth, limitless wealth, and that wealth is being used to suppress people's voices, to compromise institutions, to
So you think ED and CBI are being used by them?
To muzzle media,
Yeah.
to make media sing their songs always, which we call Godi media now, to use ED, CBI. Tell me, which country would have seen this? 8,000 crores electoral bonds, you made money, every data is out, you first wanted to suppress SBI, State Bank of India. Data mat dikhana chunav ke pehle.
But at least it was on record, the data.
Data they were not showing. They were suppressing. कि चुनाव के पहले मत दिखाना. अब दिखा दिया, डंडा पड़ा सुप्रीम कोर्ट का, 2 दिन डेटा बाहर आ गया. डेटा बाहर आया तो क्या निकला? ये निकला कि बीजेपी ने ईडी का मिसयूज इस हद तक किया कि पहले कंपनियों पे रेट डलवाया ईडी का, सीबीआई का, फिर उन्हीं कंपनियों से अपने यहाँ डोनेशन लिया. इट्स ऑल आउट, डेटा इज आउट, एंड देन केसेस ड्रॉप कर दिए गए. सी इट इज हैपनिंग सो, when will ED investigate BJP and the leaders? That's my question, through you also, through you to the people and to the people who are listening to you. Question is, ED has been fully being misutilized
Okay.
by BJP for political purposes. Otherwise, look at the washing machine thing. 2 days before, you were accusing Ajit Pawar of 70,000 crore corruption. 2 days later, you took him to your party and made him Deputy Chief Minister. Chhagan Bhujbal, who was in prison by you for 1 long year, and then he joined BJP and he's out. Hemant Biswa Sarma, you published a book on corruption against him, and then you made him Assam Chief Minister. Then when he joined BJP, Suvendu Adhikari, Naveen Jindal. Indian Express had brought one complete article.
Yeah.
That 25 people, the most corrupt people who joined BJP, 23 cases, against 23 of them have been dropped. Is this your model?
What about the
Is
judiciary?
this how you will fix corruption?
Do you think the judiciary is
Corruption
also
का
compromised?
मोदी जी ने एक चीज किया है, जो गारंटी ये गारंटी क्या है? उत्तर से दक्षिण तक, पूरब से पश्चिम तक. मोदी जी गारंटी है, हम किसी करप्ट को नहीं छोड़ेंगे, सबको भाजपा में लाके मानेंगे. इनकी गारंटी है. अब इन्होंने नया चाल चला है, क्योंकि हमने इसका इशारा पकड़ लिया और खूब देश में दिखाया, वॉशिंग मशीन का मॉडल बनाया. इधर से घुसाया अजित पवार को काले कपड़े में, सफ़ेद कपड़े में निकले डिप्टी सीएम बन के. इधर से घुसाया छगन भुजबल को, नवीन जिंदल को. तो उन्होंने क्या किया, नया तरीका निकाला है. अब कहते हैं कि हमारे पास मत आओ, सीधा पहले रिजाइन करो, मेरे पास मत आओ. बीएसपी को यूज कर रहे हैं अभी, कि बीएसपी से लड़वा रहे हैं उन लोगों को.
Okay.
हाँ, अब बीएसपी काशीराम जी की पार्टी जो दलितों को उत्थान के लिए बनी थी, इट वाज फॉर द अपलिफ्टमेंट ऑफ दलित पीपल, दैट इज बीइंग मिसयूज्ड बाय बीजेपी फॉर देयर ओन पॉलिटिकल पर्पसेस. सो मायावती जी ने इस कदर डाउन कर दिया है बीएसपी को, आज बीएसपी बीजेपी की टीम बी बन गई है.
Okay.
Alright. My own minister, who resigned from Aam Aadmi Party first, Rajkumar Anand ji. He's contesting from Nai Delhi
BSP?
Lok Sabha through BSP. You know, how did you catch this BJP B team? When I came out from after filing nomination, his supporters were all standing. So I asked them, Jai Bhim. Usually we greet each other. Jai Bhim. They said 400 पार. तो 400 पार नारा तो बीएसपी का नहीं है ना, 400 पार नारा तो बीजेपी का.
Yeah.
तो बीएसपी के कैंडिडेट सारे बीजेपी के उस पे बी टीम में लड़ रहे हैं.
How are they so sure of winning then? This Nara that, as you're saying, 400.
Look at the speeches of Mr. Modi. You'll see nervousness on his face.
Okay.
I'm also an MLA for last 10 years. He's also Prime Minister for last 10 years. In my talks, in my constituency, I never talk of negativity of any other party.
You talk of
I
work?
talk of my own work. What all I have done for you. I have fixed traffic congestion situations. I have fixed roads, parks, street lights, tunnels, etc., etc. That's what you need to do. When you get power, do work. People want work. People want problem solutions. People want unemployment to go, inflation to go, women's security to happen. What have you done in BJP? In Karnataka, somebody who has been accused of storing 3,000 sex videos. He was your candidate. You were asking for votes for him.
But even the Congress party knew about her. The complaint went around.
BJP is saying, see, this is a counter argument for it's got no value, no water.
Okay.
If BJP authorities are saying that they have been complaining against him for a long time, 4 दिन पहले आप वोट मांग रहे थे, कह रहे थे इसको रमन्ना को दिया गया वोट मोदी जी को जाएगा. Then you have the audacity to talk about women's security. Manipur, what gruesome thing happened? Women were paraded naked. And who was in power? BJP was in the state. Double engine की सरकार. BJP मणिपुर, सेंटर मणिपुर. फिर भी बहनों का इज्जत नहीं बचा पाए, बेटी को इज्जत नहीं बचा पाए. तो लाना था ना ऐसे प्राइम मिनिस्टर पे. फिर क्या कहा है कि वुमेन सिक्योरिटी? किस बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ का नारा तुम दे रहे हो? तो आप सोचिए, गिरवान में झांकिए. अब आपका हो गया बाबा जी, अब जाइए यहाँ से. अब बहुत हो गया आपका. अब मुझे लगता है कि देखिए इस देश के अंदर we need lots of problems there. Youth need direction. Country needs direction. You were talking about patriotism, देशभक्ति. गाना गा रहे थे देशभक्ति का. और आप गवर्नर मलिक साहब ने क्या कह दिया? Your own governor Malik Saab exposed you threadbare, sir. 40 soldiers, 40 sons of Mother India were butchered by. All right. Who said so? I didn't say so. Mr. Malik, governor. His own governor said so. So, not even an apology you owe to the nation. At least you come out. Be brave. Apologize to the nation.
But basic terrorism has come down, even in Delhi.
Who says so?
There's been no incident
Who
of
says so? Media?
small- No, we can see.
How do you see?
Like the Sarojini Nagar blast and
How
all
do you
happened
see?
before, but now it.
Actions, no. Events are happening. They're not being reported.
Okay.
Not being reported. Go and see Jammu, go and see Kashmir.
Why social media is free to report, even if big
it's
media.
all happening. Muddling, if you just post a anti-government thing on the media, you'll be immediately arrested. Once somebody posted a video about Mr. Amit Shah. Now they have summoned Chief Minister of Telangana. Can you imagine? And every day you post fake videos about Arvind Kejriwal, Somnath Bharti, Aam Aadmi Party, and we keep filing complaints to the police. Nobody cares a damn. So you have a different law. In India, there are two.
As a
two
lawyer,
sets of
have
laws.
you seen the law being? Do you think the judiciary is compromised?
See, I would only give you examples.
Okay.
Mr. Gogoi, who was Chief Justice of India, he spoke against the government. 5 judges had come out who spoke against the roster, that how the matters being marked. So what happened to him? One lady was put behind him. A complaint was filed. Somebody was Chief Justice. He got scared. He immediately scumped.
But how do you know she was the plant?
Then what happened to the case?
Okay, that's why.
What happened to the case then? Where is the case now? Is there a trial going on? No trial is going on.
It disappeared.
Then he was made what? Rajya Sabha member. On whose ticket? BJP. Sadasivam, Honorable Justice. He did the favor to Mr. Amit Shah. Seemingly, I would term that. And then he was made governor of Kerala. All right. So, what I'm saying, there are examples through which you can infer that the pressure which be mounted by central government on the judiciary also possibly.
Possibly.
Otherwise,
But Supreme Court is independent.
I mean, we would love.
One can hope.
There is no recourse. Where else we would go?
That'll be the ultimate.
I mean, I would, of course, be thankful to Honorable Supreme Court Justices that at least you're there. We come to you. We look up to you because you are the guardian of the Constitution.
Let's talk about your alliance with the India Bloc. Obviously, you were totally against the Congress party at one point, especially in Delhi. The Aam Aadmi Party was their main, challenger. So how does your working partnership work now?
See, they BJP accuses us of.
Even this liquor policy scam, they were the ones who made.
I'll tell you, getting along with Congress. We are getting along with Congress. You are engulfing Congress. Every leader of Congress who has ED case against him or her is joining you. Today BJP is no longer BJP. Not a BJP of Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Not a BJP of earlier times. Now BJP is all corrupt parties. Okay. All criminal parties. We joined hands with Congress for a purpose. इसको ऐसे समझें आप हिंदी बताता हूँ
दुश्मन का दुश्मन तो
नो मैंने मानो दो हिंदुस्तानी लड़ते हो दो हिंदुस्तानी खूब लड़ते हो सिर फुटबॉल करते हो हर तरह के डिफरेंसेस हो सामने पाकिस्तानी खड़ा हो जाए क्या करेंगे हिंदुस्तानी अपने आप को भूल जाएगा अपने झगड़े भूल जाएगा पहले पाकिस्तानी को भगाएगा सो बीजेपी हैज बिकम अ पार्टी ऑफ पाकिस्तानी मेंटालिटी.
They're accusing the Congress of the Muslim League manifesto, though.
That's what I'm saying. So, दीप्ति जी 10 साल बाद शासन में रहने के बाद आप गिराना चाहिए था अरे भाई आपने मुझे मेजॉरिटी दी हमने भारत को एम्प्लॉयमेंट के इंडेक्स पे वर्ल्ड में नंबर 1 पे ला दिया भूख के इंडेक्स पे वर्ल्ड में सब खत्म हो गया
GDP is doing well.
Where is tell me is it double digit?
It's not double digit but it's better than before.
Had they promised double digit? Had they promised petrol rates to come down to 30 rupees?
Petrol rates haven't come down.
Had they promised that gas would come to 300 rupees? Had they promised that dollar would become weaker than rupee? What happened to now? Dollar is way higher, way costlier. Rupee has क्या कहा था? रुपया खिसक रहा है. दिल्ली में मोदी जी का स्पीच है देखिए कि दिल्ली में जो सरकार बैठी है उनका क्या हक बनता है बैठे रहने का तो मोदी जी अब आपका क्या हक बनता है बैठे रहने का आप भी चलिए यहाँ से हो गया काम आपका आपने 10 साल आपको देश ने दे दिया अब क्या है ना दीप्ति जी देखिए जब तक इस देश के लोग काम से वोट को लिंक नहीं करेंगे तब तक सरकारें सुधरेगी नहीं.
But do you think that will happen in the near future?
It's happening in Delhi. Tell me, in Delhi, Aam Aadmi Party won 3 elections.
Okay, but if not religion, what about the caste census? You are telling them to identify with the caste then.
Because see, the constitution.
Voting to
the constitution has talked about it. Because there is no. I mean, it is injustice to talk of equality among unequals. Okay, so you need to have different policies for different underprivileged.
So you believe in reservation?
Underprivileged. I'm saying this should be. Dr. Ambedkar was a visionary. He had brought for a purpose, and that is why we all need to work on that.
But how long do you think that reservation should go?
No, it has to remain.
It has to remain.
It has to remain. Long way to go. Long way to go. It has to remain. But my question is, the basic thing which a government should do is to improve education
system. Is the main thing.
Look at the way the government schools of Delhi are now performing. IITs, AIIMS, lawyers. Look at the business blaster. Have you gone to our school?
No.
Please go. I'll take you to my school. And see the girls. They're so, full of energy. The girls who were not allowed to come to school because there was no toilet.
Okay.
Now the toilets are all first class. I mean, look at, they are possibly leaving behind private schools' comforts. And today, my daughters, the 11th class, 12th class girls, they're so happy. We started their business blaster program.
Okay.
We gave 2,000 rupees seed capital.
Okay.
Many of the girls.
It's like incubators for startups.
Incubators. Forget about the boys. The girls, they have created businesses. They make 15,000 rupees a month, 20,000 rupees a month.
Yeah.
My own law office buys all the stationeries from there. because they go to Chavdi Bazaar, they bring things. So I get cheaper from them as compared to my local market.
Yeah.
So this was Mr. Gandhi ji's dream. School में शिक्षा के साथ skill भी दीजिए. That was Gandhi's dream. We are fulfilling Gandhi's dream.
What about the new education policy? What do you think of that?
See, that's what I'm saying. New education policy has flaws. It was never created after consulting the states.
Okay.
You need to. It's a federal structure. It's not a sort of center does not have. It has to consult the states. when
Why?
you bring
Because
the
you think
policy.
it's cultural, regional?
No. Regional, of course, it is
Yeah.
because it is full of regionalism.
Yeah.
I mean, the Tamil Nadu has a different way of living. So you have to incorporate
Their own.
their own understanding
Yeah.
of life, their own understanding of their own concerns. See, this talk of one country, one election, one language, one constitution,
This homogeneity doesn't work.
See, Baba Sahib gave a constitution so beautifully that it is befitting every state. One constitution has been designed in a manner that it takes care of all states. But your talk of one language, how can you force Hindi on people of Tamil Nadu? How can you force Hindi on Malayali speaking people? Hindi is my mother tongue.
Yeah.
I speak beautifully. It's my mother tongue. But I can't force on you. My wife is Bengali. She speaks Bengali beautifully. My children speak Bengali beautifully. How can you force them that you speak Hindi?
But don't you think that'll bind people more if there is commonality?
This is the beauty of this country. The diversity.
It thrives in that.
Unity in diversity. Okay? I mean, God has not designed the world to be of one color,
Yeah.
of one kind of tree. Go to the garden, you find multiple color trees, multiple color flowers, so beautifully different trees. If you go to a garden and you find all one same kind of tree, will you not get bored? you would like to have different. If you go to Mughal garden, so I don't have to change the name.
Yeah.
They might have changed the name. Have they changed the name, Mughal garden?
No.
President House?
No, I don't think so. Yeah.
They may change the name now after I have mentioned in the show. So, the God has created not every human. God has not created two human beings in the same way. God is not
Uniform.
uniform. God is giving you different intelligentsia across the country, across the globe. So that's why this all talk of one election. It means one election and then you're gone. So Mr. Modi should not be forced to
But
travel
is it easy to
across.
amend the constitution as has been accused?
That's why they're asking 400 power.
क्या होगा उससे?
2/3 majority.
And then you can?
You can amend the constitution to the way you want. 2/3 majority. That's what. In fact, they have clarified. Few parliamentarians of BJP were asked that आपको 400 क्यों चाहिए? They said हमको constitution खत्म करना है.
They've said it on record.
Constitution amend करना है. On record. Otherwise, आजकल तो देखिए पुलिस उनका है. कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. हम गलत बोलेंगे तो उठा के डाल देंगे अंदर जेल में. ठीक है. So not without proof, I'm saying so. So what does it mean? They have a long pending dream. They want to be king of this country. Mr. Modi does not like dissent. No criticism. If you criticize, you're gone. Just write one tweet and you'll gone. You'll be picked up by night. No dissent, no criticism, just done with.
You have not faced any pressure
Maharaj
so
ji,
far?
Maharaj ji, Bhagwan, have you not heard? BJP guys have been saying that he's the 11th avatar. They want to create temples around him. I mean, don't you look at the ego in claiming जो राम को लाए हैं उनको लाएंगे. I mean, राम को आप कौन होते लाने वाले? भगवान राम तो हमारे कन-कन में बसते हैं. पूरी विश्व के रचयिता भगवान राम है. इतना है कर कि भगवान राम को आप लाए हैं. भी थोड़ा सा.
So you haven't faced any pressure so far from
Many
any?
pressures, they arrested me many times. They
No chance of joining the party?
BJP.
Yeah.
Not even in dreams.
Not even in your dreams.
Not even in dreams. This is my party. Aam Aadmi Party has been created by us. We have suffered for this. We have suffered to give this country an alternative. Okay.
But do you think this entire episode has somewhere soiled the image of what was considered to be a party of activists at one point.
We
Is it
continue to be that way. See,
Yeah.
आप कोई और पार्टी का नाम आपने सुना जिसके 3-4 लीडर टॉप के अरेस्ट कर दिए गए हों? आज हमारे
But scam का भी तो नाम उन्हीं
चारों
के-
टॉप लीडर
Yeah.
स्कैम कहाँ हो बता दो?
But their name has come in the.
स्कैम कहाँ है?
It's there as sub judice,
कहाँ है?
as you said. Yeah.
No. There's not an iota of recovery. सुप्रीम कोर्ट में साफ साफ पूछा गया, ईडी से पूछा संजय सिंह वाले, जब संजय सिंह जी की बेल की बात चल रही थी, ईडी वाज आस्क्ड बाय ऑनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट, इज देयर एनी रिकवरी ऑफ मनी? नो. एनी मनी ट्रेल? नो. देन ऑनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट आस्क्ड, विल यू अपोज मिस्टर संजय सिंह बेल? दे गॉट almost as if they were not expecting the question to be asked. They said, give me time. Let me ask my आकाओं को पूछ करके आता हूँ. तो आकाओं को पूछा, लंच के बाद आए. माई बाप, मेरे आकाओं ने कहा है कि बेल अपोज मत करना. जैसे उस दिन लगा कि भगवान श्री राम जज साहिबान के मुंह से बोल रहे हो. जज साहिबान ने कहा था, अगर तुम अपोज करोगे तो मैं आज मेरिट पे डिसाइड करूंगा.
Okay.
एंड दे गॉट स्कैर्ड कि अगर आज मेरिट पे डिसाइड होगा तो कुछ है ही नहीं केस में. दीप्ति जी, कुछ भी नहीं केस में. मैं पूरी लीगल एक्यूमेन के साथ कह रहा हूँ आपको.
Okay.
केस क्या है? 2 आदमी को पकड़ लो, एक को मारो पीटो, कान फाड़ दो, बोल तू लिख नाम केजरीवाल का, तू लिख नाम संजय सिंह का, तू लिख नाम सिसोदिया का, तू लिख नाम जैन का, तब तेरे को छोड़ूंगा. एनीबडी हु हैज लिव्ड हिज लाइफ इन लग्जरीज, इन एसीज, ट्रैवल्ड इन बिग कार्स, 6 months ऑफ जेल विल ब्रेक दैट पर्सन. मतलब जो मर्जी लिखवाना भाई लिखवा ले, हमको छोड़ दे, हाथ जोड़ता हूँ. तो लिखवा लिया. 9 स्टेटमेंट्स में केजरीवाल का नाम नहीं है. एंड सेक्शन 50 में गिविंग फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट रिक्वायर्स प्रोसिक्यूशन. तो या तो 9 स्टेटमेंट्स गलत हैं या 10वां स्टेटमेंट गलत है. ऑलराइट.
So what's the end result of this, you think?
दिस ऑल
It'll die out, you think?
2024 election is the purpose.
And on ground, there is no. Are people believing this? Like what?
See, till the time they did not arrest Kejriwal,
People still
there
had
was,
doubts.
there was some sort of whispering.
Seed of doubt.
हो सकता है यार. But the moment they arrested Kejriwal,
You think he's become a hero?
he was a hero earlier also itself. But then he's now yes. See, basically Modi ji himself created him that way. Now by arresting him, he has proven that anybody who can counter, who is a threat to Mr. Modi is Mr. Kejriwal. Why will he arrest otherwise? And that too after announcement of election.
But he was given summons before
you-
also. The timing was in his hand.
Didn't you, listen to Mr. Amit Shah? In an interview, he admitted this. जब उसके सवाल पूछा कि भाई आपने चुनाव के दौरान क्यों अरेस्ट किया, तो व्हाट डिड ही से? He said, अगर वो पहले 7 पे आ जाते तो 6 महीना पहले अरेस्ट हो गए होते.
तो this timing was in his
इसका
hand.
मतलब आपका पर्पज अरेस्ट करना था उनको.
That's why he was avoiding.
आपका पर्पस उनकी इन्वेस्टिगेशन नहीं थी. सो मिस्टर अमित शाह हिमसेल्फ समटाइम्स, माँ सरस्वती डज द मैजिक, भगवान श्री राम डज द मैजिक. सो खुद ही बोल दिया कि हमारा पर्पस इन्वेस्टिगेशन नहीं था. अगर पहले समन पे आ जाते तो अरेस्ट हो गए होते 6 महीने पहले. इसका मतलब जो 6 महीना हमने प्रचार प्रसार जो तैयारी की 2024 के चुनाव की, वो नहीं कर पाते हम लोग. आर यू गेटिंग मी?
Yeah.
सो वी न्यू देयर पर्पस इज नॉट टू इन्वेस्टिगेट. कुछ है नहीं इन्वेस्टिगेट, क्या करो इन्वेस्टिगेशन. और अगर आपका पर्पस इन्वेस्टिगेशन था तो जेल क्यों भेजा? आपने 11 दिन जांच कर लिया था, जेल में भेजते बोले जांच हो गई जी हमारी. इसका मतलब आपका पर्पस था केजरीवाल जी को बिहाइंड द बार रखने में. आप चाहते नहीं थे कि वो प्रचार करें, बिकॉज केजरीवाल जी के शब्द को जनता बहुत पसंद करती है. ही इज ए मैन हु हैज केप्ट हिज प्रॉमिसेस. एक ही व्यक्ति है इसका नाम जाता है कि जो कहा सो किया. कैन मिस्टर मोदी क्लेम दिस कि मैंने जो कहा सो किया? नौकरी 2 करोड़ कही थी आपने कहा था कि भाई महंगाई, बहुत ही महंगाई की मार, अब की बार मोदी सरकार, बहुत ही महिलाओं पे अत्याचार. यहीं जंतर मंतर पे आपकी बिल्डिंग थोड़ी दूर पे महिला पहलवान बैठी हुई थी, बेटियां हमारी,
Yeah.
ब्रिजभूषण शरण सिंह, उनका मेंबर पार्लियामेंट. उसको क्या क्या नहीं बचाने की कोशिश की इन लोगों ने. आखिरकार उसके बेटे को टिकट दे ही दी. कहाँ उस बेटियों को, हमारी बेटियां हमारे लिए मेडल लेके आई हैं, भारत का गर्व किया है, लेकिन जैसे आया बारी अपने एमपी की तो बेटियों के साथ खड़ी नहीं हुए. एंड द भाजपा कैंडिडेट was standing with the ब्रिजभूषण सिंह. I was standing with my daughters. मैं आपको पता होगा मैं खाट ले गया था एक दिन, जो वो सारा जब उनका गद्दा वद्दा गीला हो गया तो साक्षी मलिक की माँ ने मुझे कॉल किया कि भाई साहब सुना है कि आप बड़ी हेल्प करते हैं। आई वाज ऑन द 7th हेवन। मैंने कहा बताइए, आउट ऑफ सो मेनी लीडर्स शी कॉल्ड मी, सो आई रैन टू द पंखा मार्केट एंड लेके आया मैं कॉट व्हाट्सअप लेके पहुंचा वहाँ। आपको पता है क्या सजा दिया उन्होंने मेरा इस काम के लिए कि मैं बेटियों के लिए खाट लेके आया हूँ। पूरी रात पुलिस स्टेशन में मुझे ऐसे बैठा कर रखा चेयर पे कि आप लेट नहीं सकते सोमनाथ जी। तो मैं कहना चाहता हूँ भाजपाइयों को कि अपनी बेटियों की इज्जत के लिए एक रात तो छोड़, 100 रातें भी सोमनाथ भारती चेयर पे बैठे उजारने को तैयार है। आपके लिए बेटियां बेटियां नहीं होंगी। मणिपुर की बेटी मेरी बेटी है, पहलवान भी मेरी बेटी है। जिन बेटियों के साथ तुमने इस प्रकार हरकत देखी, कर्नाटक में तुम्हारे MP कैंडिडेट ने की, वही मेरी बेटियां हैं। और बेटी की इज्जत के लिए कुछ भी करूँगा। मंगलसूत्र बिकने नहीं दूंगा, तुम्हारे हाथ नहीं पहुँचने दूंगा वहाँ। लानत है ऐसे प्रधानमंत्री पर कि आप अपने चेयर प्रधानमंत्री की सीट पे हैं आप और आप कह रहे बेटियों का मंगलसूत्र बिक जाएगा। सोमनाथ भारती मरने गया, जिंदा है अभी। अरविंद केजरीवाल मरने गया, जेल में डाला तुमने अभी। बस हिंदुस्तान की बेटियों की रक्षा करने के लिए हम काफ़ी हैं। इस प्रकार की हरकतें, इस प्रकार की बातें शोभा नहीं देती। ये घटिया बातें हैं, ऐसे नहीं होनी चाहिए। क्या बात कर रहे हैं कि 2 भैंस में 1 भैंस चुरा ले जाएगा? अरे भैया प्लीज़ ऐसी बात करो कि हिंदुस्तान की नाक ऊपर उठे, बेटियां हमारी प्रबल होके चले, हिंदुस्तान का किसान प्रबल होके चले। हिंदुस्तान को, किसानों को MSP दीजिए ना भाई साहब। किसानों को यहाँ बैठे रहना पड़ा, 700 किसान मर गए। आखिरकार आपने कानून वापस लिया ना। इन किसान
Why didn't you fight on all the 7 seats if you were so sure?
No,
of
we
your-
didn't want to split the votes.
Why?
Anti-BJP votes should not be split.
Okay.
मैंने कहा ना, क्योंकि देखिए इस वक्त पार्टी हित इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं थी।
अच्छा।
वी आर नॉट फाइटिंग फॉर पार्टी इंटरेस्ट।
You're fighting
पार्टी
against a
हित
cause.
और स्वहित इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है। संविधान बचेगा तो चुनाव बहुत लड़ लेंगे, चुनाव बहुत लड़ने के लिए लड़ लेंगे, लेकिन देश तो बचे, लोकतंत्र तो बचे, संविधान तो बचे, तब तो मजा आएगा ना। देखिए हर चीज़ का एक सीमा है। मैं लॉ मिनिस्टर था जब कांग्रेस सेंटर में थी।
Yeah.
That time, Congress, I must give them credit for this. They did not take our powers. We filed many FIRs against the leaders, but they did not take away our powers. Mr. Modi, the moment he became Prime Minister, just to safeguard his industrialist friend, he took away our anti-corruption branch. You know what for? So that this corruption cases should not be handled by us. One constable of Delhi police was caught red-handed doing corruption, taking money in Daryaganj. To safeguard him, they took away our
Why? To safeguard him?
safeguard. They are pro-corrupt. Don't you see all the corrupt are in their party? They're not against corruption. They're using corruption to bring all corrupt into their party. That's all. Had they been against corruption, would they have taken Ajit Pawar into their party? A few days ago, there was a case of 25,000 crore bungling against Mr. Ajit Pawar's wife. They dropped the case. You should ask sometime. Haven't got an opportunity to interview Mr. Modi?
No, not yet.
करिए ना किसी से। बट वो अब बोलिए कि मैं प्री डिसाइडेड क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछूंगी कि कैसे आम खाते हैं, काट के खाते हैं, चूस के खाते हैं। ये कोई लेवल है PM को सवाल पूछने का? अरे PM should be ready to take any questions.
But it's nice to know your PM.
हाँ?
It's nice to know your PM and
No,
have all
no,
kinds
but
of
then
questions.
अब आम कैसे खाते हैं? जहाँ बेटियों की बेइज्जती हो रही हो, वहाँ सवाल तो ये पूछते ना कि मोदी जी आपने क्या किया बेटियों के लिए? क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है बताइए मुझे। But there should have been segment where you should have asked questions.
Yeah.
Why nobody has asked questions against Manipur violence and the most shameful thing what happened against our women, and this killing of democracy in Chandigarh. Your own person was found stealing
the mayor
votes.
election.
Mayor election. Your own person, thankful to the third eye, the God's eye worked, and he got captured. And it was well seen by everybody, including the Supreme Court. तुम वोट चुरा रहे थे. And how dare, he said, नहीं my lord, ये हो गया, वो हो गया. But then the video recording was put.
Yeah.
He was caught. So you need to respond. When you come to politics, you need to respond to the allegations in a right manner.
Yeah.
Take questions.
Take questions.
Have guts. Be courageous. Take tough questions. Be open to the media. Don't face media with the predetermined questions. You're a prime minister. I'm a local MLA, ordinary MLA. I take questions. Have you given me some questions beforehand?
No.
Yeah? I'm taking questions from you. You're asking tough questions also.
Yeah.
I should be ready. If you're not ready, don't come to politics. Remain at home. Who's stopping you?
Yeah, you're in public
Right.
domain. Yeah.
See, my journey has started. I mean, when I'm basically from Bihar. I am from the land.
You
of
grew
Buddha.
up in Bihar?
From the land of Buddha. And my father was a spiritual wanderer. So he took us to places. So we came to Radhaswami Satsang Vyas. And then, I mean, many saints. I told you, Maharishi Mai, Paramahansa Maharaj, Maharishi Yogi, Doraha Baba, Anukul
They were your
Thakur.
gurus?
Yes. Anukul Thakur, Osho, Radhaswami Satsang Vyas. We all went. So that way I have brought up. So I have the courage to face questions.
Yeah.
My spiritual upbringing
And
gives
training.
me that immense courage within. And that's why I always say, I came to politics to spiritualize politics. That's what Guru told me. My Guru told me, Somnath, जा रहा है, निष्काम सेवा करें. So I am here to do self. That's my benchmark.
That's a benchmark.
That's why I'm like this. I've been there for 10 long years. Not an iota of allegation against me of any kind. Okay. Why? Because I have a spiritual background. I am dependent on my spiritual strength.
There's never been a case, but you said there have been cases against
Cases of this case, that case. One case that एम्स के पीछे जो नाला था उसका एक्सेस दिलवाना था मुझे गौतम नगर की जनता के लिए. वो दीवार को तोड़ रहा है PWD. Of course there were official meetings. वो मेरे पे इल्जाम लगा के मुझे जेल में डाल दिया. So I have no cases of any kind of any criminality or any corruption or anything.
Okay.
Never.
Never.
Never. And see, my journey when I came to Delhi started from Gurdwara Sheeshganj. I stayed in the dormitory in the beginning.
Okay.
And
College?
then, college days. And then when I've been पहले पैदल चला, फिर साइकिल दिया परमात्मा ने, फिर स्कूटर दिया, फिर मारुति कार दिया. तो बड़ा स्ट्रगल से पहुंचा हूं यहाँ पे. It's not an ordinary affair. And then I went to IIT. And then all my batchmates, Deepti ji, majority of them are abroad. Some heads Apple, some heads Microsoft. They all come by chartered
But you
flights.
stayed in this.
But I opted to remain in India to serve my motherland. That was my exact motto. And then I went to the law. After IIT, I went to the law. In fact, I would tell you, you'll be the first person to know. I tried to be in Army and Defense Forces 8 times.
Then?
I went after IIT. They didn't take me in.
Why?
They say you're too intelligent to because a questioning mind.
Yeah.
I tried through CDS, I tried through NDA, I tried through Coast Guard also. I wanted to serve the nation on the border. Didn't take me in. But then I had to serve the nation through politics
Through
possibly. That
politics.
was my destiny. And then after IIT, I went to the law. I did my law from Delhi University. And then I practiced in Supreme Court, Delhi High Court. There I realized, in fact, once my Chief Justice told me, Mr. Bharti, what you're asking for is not possible through courts. You need to get into legislation now.
Matlab? What?
Law making में जाओ.
Oh, okay.
मतलब कोर्ट में because see कोर्ट क्या करता है? Court is there to interpret law, and whatever Parliament has designed, whatever Parliament has written, they're supposed to enforce it. Courts cannot make new laws.
That's true. They enforce the law.
See. So then they told me that you get into legislation. Then
Legislation. Sorry, I
Legislation.
didn't. Yeah. Huh.
My throat is bad.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
So then I went to both the parties, Congress and BJP. BJP told me that कितना पैसा खर्च करेंगे. तो मैंने कहा मैं क्यों खर्च करूं? मैं तो देश सेवा करना चाहता हूं.
You wanted to join as a volunteer first?
बोला नहीं, I wanted to contest election.
Contest election straight.
So बोला कि नहीं, बगैर पैसे का नहीं होता सोमनाथ जी, सब बातें हैं. That was the time in 2010 Mr. Kejriwal met me.
Okay.
A year before, I had fought for an Indian called Bikram Buddhi. If you go and search, I went from here to America to fight against American government who had put Bikram Buddhi behind bar in a conspiracy.
Okay.
So I fought for him and I got him back to the country. Okay. So then Mr. Kejriwal had heard my name. So I was attending Pan IT conference. Mr. Kejriwal on the stage. I was down. So he said he was fighting for Commonwealth Games camp. He said बड़ी मछलियाँ छोटी मछलियाँ खा जाएंगी कुछ निकलेगा नहीं. मैंने कहा ये आदमी मुझे मिल जाए मजा आ जाएगा. तो
And destiny.
इच्छा इतनी गहरी थी दीप्ति जी.
You manifested it.
नो शाम को मेरे ऑफिस में इवनिंग मेरे ऑफिस में आई वाज इन टीयर्स कि ये क्या हुआ. आई टोल्ड यू सर आप पॉलिटिकल पार्टी स्टार्ट करो. नहीं सोमनाथ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी हमारे कप ऑफ टी नहीं है. हम तो आंदोलन करेंगे. आप मेरे लिए केस लड़ दो. ही हैड कम टू मी टू फाइट दैट केस टू मेक मी फाइट दैट केस CWG गेम्स कैंप. उस वक्त किरण बेदी जी भी उसकी पिटिशनर थी. देयर 14 पीपल. That was my beginning with Mr. Kejriwal, and the journey now has brought me here.
Okay, my last question would be do you think the party will come out of this stronger, or do you think a lot of people are leaving the ship now?
No, party has already become stronger.
Okay.
See, the weak should anyway leave. We don't want the weak people.
Natural elimination.
Weak people we don't want. Mr. Kejriwal says upfront कि देखो जो ईडी से डर गया इसका मतलब कुछ गलत किया है उसने. I'm saying it on record through your podcast. Mr. Rajkumar Anand, the minister, when he resigned, a day before at 6:41, I was having discussion with him. He said, सोमनाथ जी बहुत तकलीफ में हूँ.
Okay.
ईडी ने अरेस्ट करने को कहा है. मैंने कहा यार ऐसे कौन सा काम कर दिया तुमने, क्यों डरते हो. केजरीवाल जी गए ना जेल, कोई बात नहीं तुम्हें चले जाना. सोमनाथ जी बिजनेस में हूँ गलतियाँ हो जाती हैं. So he has things to be scared of.
Yeah.
So whenever you have something in your kitty,
Yeah.
have done wrong, you'll get BJP succeeds to scare you, to get you join BJP or BSP now.
As you were saying, yeah.
Okay, as a indirect help to
route.
BJP. So anybody who is of that kind is better. Such testing times, so they should leave. We don't want such people. We want people who has the courage to face.
And if they want to come back?
Let's see. We'll see later.
Then we'll see.
We'll see later.
Okay.
There is a huge system in the party. It's not for us.
Yeah.
Okay. But we understand that every such crisis has strengthened us. You see, we have been written off many times. We were written off in 2014 itself. जब रिजाइन कर दिया था केजरीवाल जी ने कि अब तो कोई नहीं लाएगा. जनता ने क्या किया 67 सीट्स दे दी out of 70.
Yeah.
All right. Then 62 seats दे दी out of 70. There is a God. It's a divine power which is helping us. Otherwise, we have no resource of any kind to compete BJP. BJP candidate for my constituency is full of
Cash
resources. Full of. We look at the way the hoardings and posters and the banners and their cavalcade. If you look at the BJP candidate, look at the affidavit filed by her. 2021, 2 crore FD, 2023, 2 crore FD, 2 crore. मतलब जितने FD बने हैं उनके लाइफ में वो सब 21, 22, 23 में बने हैं. मर्सिडीज गाड़ी और क्या क्या है. आई एम इन डेट ऑफ 15 lakhs. Okay. My advocacy is also very different. Spirituality drives my life. So I can't see pain in people's eyes. Anybody who comes, I love to take the case of the weaker section.
Pro bono?
All pro bono. 90% I do pro bono. 10% I do because I have a wife, I have 2 children, I have a mother to take care of.
Yeah.
So I need some money to survive.
Yeah.
So majorly I do pro bono, but there are cases where I make money. That's how I run my life because politics is not to make money for me.
Yeah.
Through politics मैंने कमाया है, कमाया नहीं है. ऑन रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ आपके शो पे. ठीक है, तभी इस प्रकार से बोल लेता हूँ. अगर कमाया होता कहीं तो नहीं आवाज़ नहीं निकल पाती.
You know fear.
Okay. So that's why, and I love to be in this area. It's my natural
It's your passion.
Passion to help my people, to solve problems, to take the country out of situations, to fix problems countries facing, to debate on them, to consult my friends from IIT, IIMs. So I have a natural instinct. My father was a sannyasi wanderer, but he was a very literate person. He wrote letters to Mr. Nehru
Okay.
in his time. He warned him of China's aggression. I have those letters preserved with me. He took me to Parliament. When I was too young, my mother asked him, अरे कितने बच्चे में क्यों ले जा रहे हैं? तो बच्चा है, बोले संस्कार डाल रहे हैं. He had possibly the vision कि कहाँ जाएगा ये ultimately. Possibly is now his vision.
Did he see you?
He saw me as MLA.
Yeah, okay.
16 he left body.
Okay.
And he was a great meditator. He used to meditate for 18-20 hours a day. I
He was
meditated only
sannyasi,
2 hours a
obviously,
day.
yeah.
I meditated only 2 hours a day.
That's also a lot.
But that's
in
my
your,
energy.
yeah.
That's my energy. And that's how,
Yeah.
I know I collect the energy, the fuel for the day.
For the day. Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for
Such a
this
pleasure
conversation
Such a
and
pleasure
being
to
in the
be.
studios today.
Such a pleasure to be here
Alright.
today.
And all the best.
I enjoyed the conversation.
Yeah, me too. Me too.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank
All the best.